Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please like and subscribe for more Scentsy content. In this video, I would like to share a fall haul with you. I've got some wax melts, I've got some laundry products, I've got some warmer stands, that type of thing. So without further ado, let's jump in. So I had to get more black raspberry vanilla scent salts. This is part of Scentsy's laundry line, and this smells like delicious sun-sweetened dark berries and warmed with vanilla. And to me, this smells like Fruit Loops, and it is so fragrant. I use this with the laundry detergent and the washer whiffs, and my laundry is so fragrant and it smells so yummy. I absolutely adore that. And next I got a Tabletop Base, and it's for the mini warmers, and what it does is it just pretty much elevates your mini warmers to make to display them better. And then I picked up 3 cord concealing stands, and this is in the branch line, and it's just basically like white ceramic, and it's got that very pretty branch and flower design on there. These are not all for me. 2 of them are. One of them is for a customer, and I will insert a picture so that you can see. Featured is the glitter rose gold mini warmer that I am so in love with, and it's on the Tabletop Base stand to give it some elevation, as well as the cord concealing stand. Next, I got another glitter rose gold mini warmer, and I actually did a review on this. I'll go ahead and insert that video so that you can check that out if you haven't seen that already. And then I picked up the warmer of the month for September, and it is called Under Wraps, and it is a mummy, and I am so excited about this. Just something about him just made me want him. I don't know why, but he's adorable. So I will be doing an unboxing for that here shortly. So stay tuned for that video for sure. And then on to some wax melts. So I burn candles too, but I'm into more clean home fragrance. Scentsy offers electric warmers that are not a fire hazard. You can leave them on 24 hours a day without fear of a fire or anything like that. And we use non-toxic wax with essential oils, and it's just a very way to keep your home fragrant and clean without all the soot and toxins that candles emit. So I picked up actually 5 bars of pumpkin roll. Let me read you the scent note. I already popped a cube of this in because I just absolutely adore it. Okay, this is creamy pumpkin pie filling surrounded with yellow cake, pecans, butter, and cinnamon. And you guys, this smells like yellow cake with pumpkin. And I'm not a cinnamon fan, but it's just a very like bakery cinnamon. Oh, it's so nice with a hint of nuttiness. Oh, it's so wonderful. I absolutely love pumpkin roll. So I had to pick up 5 bars of that. Next, I had a blueberry cheesecake brick on back order that I finally got. So a brick is basically, you're getting almost 6 bars here. Let me show you the comparison. So this is a Scentsy bar, okay? You get your 8 cubes, you break these apart, pop it in a warmer. Depending on the size of the room, the wattage of the warmer, you may need to use more than 1 cube. It just really depends on what you're using in what room and all of that, compared to a brick, okay? This is an obscene amount of wax. Now, with a brick, you do not want to put an entire cube in your warmer because you will have a waxident, some wax spillage. So what I like to do is just cut it. I cut one of these cubes into like thirds, and that works out really well for me. But blueberry cheesecake. Let me read you the scent description. So, thick, rich New York cheesecake with a light graham cracker crust and delicious blueberries. And you guys, you get the blueberry. It's very sweet. You get the graham cracker crust, but you also get that cheesecake note. Oh, I love this. And bricks are not usually readily available. The way I was able to get this brick is because I do have a Scentsy club. And with the Scentsy club, you have bricks available to you all year round. Now, having said that, occasionally Scentsy will release bricks for $24. They just released Johnny Appleseed in a brick. It sold out like same day. It's gone. But occasionally they will have a brick event where they release fragrances in bricks. So just a little side note, but I love blueberry cheesecake. So I always have some of that on hand. And then one of the new fall releases is Breakfast in Bed. And it is like this maroon color. Let me read you the scent notes. Wake up to a warm pumpkin pastry filled with black raspberry and topped by a sweet cinnamon drizzle. And you get the pumpkin pastry. And let me smell the bottom. Let's see. And you do get the raspberry with cinnamon. So I'm curious to warm this because I haven't warmed it yet. I've smelled it and I like it on cold, but very curious about this one. So that is Breakfast in Bed. And then I picked up the Gourgdeous Pumpkin 3-bar collection. This is a limited time offer. As of the time I'm filming this video, it is still available for you to purchase. This collection features pumpkin Tiramisu, which is this orange colored wax. Let me read you the scent notes. Layer pumpkin with sweet brown sugar and vanilla cream for an autumn twist on a favorite Italian dessert. And I actually did a review of this entire collection. I will link that video for you to check out. And you get the pumpkin and the sweetness from the brown sugar. And it's very rich, very decadent. I love pumpkin tiramisu. It's in my Scentsy club right now. Next is pumpkin chai. And it is like an orange colored wax. Scent notes are fill your cup with white pumpkin, a swirl of cinnamon, and a dash of chai. And you get pumpkin and cinnamon, and a hint of chai. Trying to get the bar out. This one's a little bit melty. Okay. But you definitely, when this is warming, you get the pumpkin and the chai. Very rich again. So that is pumpkin chai. Really like that one. That's in my Scentsy club as well. Next is Bright Cider Life. And it is like this sort of a brickish red brown colored wax. Scent notes are spiced harvest cider, comes to life with luscious pumpkin and a slice of red apple. And you definitely get the pumpkin and you get the apple and you get that cider note. So if you like those three scents, then you would probably like this. I definitely like it. So that is, oh no, I got one more thing. I got a warmer dish for $8. This is actually for a customer. So when you buy a warmer, the warmers, Scentsy warmers, are lifetime guarantee. If your warmer malfunctions, Scentsy will replace it for you. And you can also purchase warmer dishes because sometimes the dishes get really stained and nasty, and you can clean them. But if you feel like that's too much of a hassle, you can just order a warmer dish, and they're only like $8 usually. So whenever I purchase a warmer, especially if it's one that I really love, I usually pick up a warmer dish in addition to that. So that's just a side tip. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'm praying that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.